Hello there foodie, it's your girl Clenum and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to make crispy fried shrimps. So without wasting your time, let's dive right in. Let's start with the ingredients that are some shrimps, mixed spices, olive oil, some eggs, salt, stock cube, flour, and some breadcrumbs. Remember that all the ingredients and their quantities will be in the description box below, so make sure you check them out. So when you buy your shrimps, it normally comes with the skin, so we are going to get rid of that before we start. And as always, I get rid of everything but not the tail. I always like to leave the tail on. Now let's talk about the mixed spices. So what I did was just basically add a tablespoon each of powdered garlic, ginger, chili pepper, a cube and a half of stock cube, and some salt to taste. Mix this, and then I'm going to take my washed shrimps, add some olive oil because this is going to help the spices stick to the shrimps, and I'm going to add a tablespoon and a half of my mixed spices, followed by some black pepper. We're going to stir this and then leave it to marinate for at least 20 to 30 minutes before we fry. So while this is marinating in the fridge, you definitely have some of the mixed spices left, right? So now we're just going to break 2 eggs and add a tablespoon of the mixed spices to it before we whisk. Now take what's left of your mixed spices and share that into two. One part is going to be mixed with the flour and the other part is going to be mixed with the breadcrumbs. This is because we want to enhance the flavor of the coating of the shrimps. Let's now start with the coating. So what we're going to do is to take our shrimps and we're going to dip it into the egg and then into the flour, back into the egg, and then into the breadcrumbs. Let me repeat that again. First into the egg and then into the flour and then back into the egg and then into the breadcrumbs. If you do not have breadcrumbs, you can use just the flour, but just make sure you do the coating twice. So you're going to dip it into the egg, into the flour, back into the egg, and then into the flour for the second time. And yes, you have to dip it twice to get a crispy result. And while doing this, I hope your oil is on fire, ready to fry. So yeah, all we have to do is to fry our shrimps, and you have to let it fry for at least 2 to 3 minutes before bringing it up, because remember we didn't pre-cook the shrimps and you don't want raw shrimps. So let it fry for at least 2 to 3 minutes, and when it gets to this golden brown color, then it should be ready. So all you're going to do is to just transfer it on your paper towel for the oil to be absorbed, and your shrimps will be ready to be enjoyed. So after frying the first and second batch, our shrimps are ready. And I actually paired this with this sauce, which is a tablespoon of mayonnaise and sriracha that I mixed together, which is kind of spicy and sweet at the same time, and I feel like it's the perfect combo for this. And yeah, food is ready. You're invited. So as usual, if you love what you saw, if you like what you see, please do not forget to support this channel by subscribing, liking, and sharing. And hey, let me also know what you think in the comment section below. Till next time, to the next recipe, it's bye-bye for now.